Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to actually stand on another planet? To feel the alien ground beneath your feet, see a different sun, and breathe air that isn't quite like ours? Well, our intrepid young explorers, Olala and Kadada, are about to show us just that in their super sleek, custom-fitted spacesuits. But what makes each planet so incredibly unique? And why is our Earth so special? Our adventure begins not too far from home, on the dusty, desolate plains of Mars. Olala and Kadada carefully step out of their advanced rover. The ground crunches softly under Kadada's boots as he kicks up a cloud of fine, reddish dust. "Whoa, Olala!" he exclaims, his voice a little muffled by his helmet's comms system.
It's so quiet here. You can almost hear the silence. And everything's red. Is Mars just a giant rusty ball?
Olala, ever the knowledgeable one, taps a gloved finger on her helmet's display, showing a magnified image of the Martian soil.
You're not far off, Kadada.
You see this reddish color? It's mostly iron oxide, which is basically rust. Billions of years ago, iron in the Martian rocks reacted with the tiny amounts of oxygen and water vapor in its ancient atmosphere, just like a rusty nail here on Earth. But on a planetary scale, that's why Mars is often called the red planet. It's also incredibly cold, with an average temperature of about -63 degrees Celsius, and its atmosphere is super thin, mostly carbon dioxide. If you took off your helmet here, you'd freeze and suffocate almost instantly. Plus, did you know Mars has two tiny, irregularly shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos? Scientists think they might actually be captured asteroids.
Pretty cool, right?
Kadada nods, looking around at the vast, empty landscape.
So, a cold, rusty desert with two potato-shaped moons. Got it. What's next on our cosmic tour?
Next, we're heading to the scorching, cloud-shrouded mystery of Venus.
Hold on tight. Their spaceship zips away from Mars, accelerating towards the inner solar system. Soon, they're orbiting a planet completely covered in thick, yellowish-white clouds. Even from orbit, the atmosphere looks turbulent and unwelcoming. They deploy a specialized atmospheric probe, its sensors immediately screaming warnings.
Whoa, it's so bright down there, but I can't see anything through these clouds.
And the temperature gauge is going crazy.
It's super hot even for our probe.
Olala points to the data streaming across their main screen.
That's because Venus is covered in incredibly thick clouds of sulfuric acid, Kadada.
Imagine super strong, super hot rain that could melt metal. And the air pressure on the surface? It's like being a mile deep in Earth's ocean, strong enough to crush a submarine.
No wonder Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. It's all thanks to a runaway greenhouse effect, where its thick atmosphere traps all the heat.
It's a truly hellish place, but fascinating in its own way, like Earth's evil twin.
Okay, so from a rusty freezer to a sulfuric acid oven. Let's go somewhere a bit bigger.
Excellent idea. Olala, Grace.
From the hottest, let's swing by the biggest. Our next stop is the king of planets, Jupiter.
Their ship makes another incredible jump, and soon, a colossal swirling orb of gas fills their view screen. Jupiter's vibrant bands of orange, brown, white, and red swirl majestically, punctuated by a colossal, angry-looking red oval.
That giant red swirl looks like a cosmic eye staring right at us. What in the universe is that? Oh la la.
That, my friend, Olala explains, her voice filled with awe, is the Great Red Spot.
It's a colossal storm, bigger than Earth itself, that's been raging for at least 350 years.
Jupiter isn't a rocky planet like Earth or Mars. It's a gas giant, mostly made of hydrogen and helium. You couldn't even stand on it because there's no solid surface to land on. It's like a giant, colorful ball of gas with super fast winds, powerful magnetic fields, and a whopping 95 known moons. Imagine a planet that's 11 times wider than Earth and has a storm that could swallow our entire home. Just as Kadada was about to ask another question about Jupiter's swirling mysteries, a piercing alarm blared through the spaceship's cabin. A red warning light flashed urgently on the main console. "Warning!" the ship's AI announced, its synthesized voice urgent. "Unforeseen meteor shower detected on current trajectory. High-velocity debris field." Evasive maneuvers recommended. Return to inner solar system advised for crew safety. Olala's eyes widened. Meteors? Now? She quickly began inputting commands.
Looks like our deep space tour is getting an unexpected early ending, Kadada. we'll have to cut this trip short. We'll plot a course back to Earth, but maybe we can get a quick, safe peek at our home planet on the way.
Their ship zipped past the outer planets. Soon, a familiar sight began to fill their view screen. A vibrant blue and green marble grew larger. Kidada pressed his face against the viewport.
Wow, Earth looks so alive.
Alala nodded. It truly is, Kidada. We've seen planets that are too hot, too cold, or too toxic. Earth has liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and supports life.
It's our home, and it's perfect just the way it is.
Kidada looked at Earth, a thoughtful expression on his face.
Yeah, it makes you want to take extra good care of it.
There's nothing quite like our little blue marble. Alala put a hand on his shoulder. Remember the diversity of our universe. Remember how lucky we are to have Earth? It's truly the most amazing place of all.